You wanna have things your own way. Don't give a damn what you do or say. Maybe you don't listen, maybe you don't care. Now you're going astray. How long will it take you to change your ways now? This crazy living night and day. But if you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna say, come my way. If you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna say, come my way. If you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna say, come my way. If you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna say, come my way. Instead of fussing every day, why don't you kneel down and pray? Sometimes it's best to look the other way. Life could be better one day. How long will it take you to change your ways? This crazy living night and day. But if you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna say, come my way. If you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna say, come my way. If you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna say, come my way. If you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna say, come my way. Got to do what you gotta do, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Got to do what you gotta do, yeah. And if you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna say, come my way. If you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna say, come my way. Looks like the sun, it doesn't shine for me. Still I'm a living, trying to be free. All of you people, freedom is a must. I go no matter how the fuss I go on, because I read these things in prophecy. What's that? When the rays start falling down and they got water, what they gonna do? They're gonna bow down to the ground. You should never run down. Hold on. And when the stars start falling down and fire's burning, So many people wanna see me stop loving you. So many people wanna see me stop loving you. But you're my love, you're my life, you're my sister tonight. Hey, say you're my love, you're my life, you're my sister tonight. Forever. Hey, so many people wanna see me stop loving you. So many people wanna see me stop loving you. So many people wanna see me stop loving you. So many people wanna see me stop loving you. Thank you. There is a time when the sea gets rough, the wind is blowing and the fish them keep moving. What are you doing, brother man? Sit down, don't look tight, get ready cause we're sailing. A big ship sailing on the ocean, and we don't need no commotion. A big ship sailing on the ocean. A big ship sailing on the ocean, and we don't need no commotion. Big ship sailing on the ocean. Oh well, from morning we a hustle and a put we on it. When we work we don't breathe a starting. From morning, as so we say, we never ever change. Never ever change. She don't never ever change. Never ever change. That's why we go long time, baby, you know. A big ship sailing on the ocean, and we don't need no commotion. I was born a winner. Say that if it's true, I'm winner. I was born a winner. Oh Lord, I remember the times how we used to sit in the bar, holding hands together. I never should have gone away and left you like I did. I thought you'd take me back, but I was just a little bit late. Yes, I am. I was born a girl, always and forever. Each moment with you is just like a dream to me that somehow came through. And I know tomorrow always say, 'cause we've got a life of love that won't ever. Let me sing this one up, people. Every day, lovely your own special way, melt all my heart away. Take time to tell me you really care, and we'll share tomorrow together. There'll always be sunshine, so I'll wait for you, just as long as you want me to. Yes, I'll wait for you, I know you come through. I hope you find the things you need, all the things you had with me. Yes, I'll wait for you, you know I'll wait for you, baby. Here I come with love and my daydream. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow by all the days of my life. Every now and don't wish to be with no evil man, for there comes a day you'll be free by the Fatherland. I sing it on my people, for there is found. I sing it on my people, yeah, now my head is anointed and my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow by all the days of my life. Every no one don't wish to be with no evil, for there comes a day you'll be free by the Fatherland. I sing it on baby kids. Oh, yeah. I sing it on my people. Oh, yeah, Do you know what it means to have a revolution? And what it takes to make a solution, fighting against oppression. Oh yeah, black gold and depression. I'll sing every year you sing. That's what my brother would say. That's what Dennis Brown would say. That's what the king would say. Are you ready to stand up and fight this revolution? Are you ready to stand up and fight like a someone soldier? Men here are called the chosen. What you gonna do? Yes, I'm leaving. What you gonna say? 'Cause I'm going. Now you come and tell me say you're grieving. What a long time you're there and just chilling. Now here I am sitting on the corner, watching the fight go by. Here comes this little girl from another corner. As she cries, she says, I didn't know she was looking my way. Didn't stand and still know. Then one evening she looked me in the eye and said, I love you, my dear. But what you gonna do? Yes, I'm leaving. What you gonna say? 'Cause I'm going. Now you come and tell me, say you're leaving. What a long time you're there, just chilling. See me chilling. Oh, na 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 na, yeah, yeah. Tell me what you gonna do now. kitchen. Everybody wishing and everybody waiting. Take a look at this out of me. Some juice in my fridge. Mama teach me fish here, so we are friendly with it. Hot full of food and everybody eating. Keep up the culture, give thanks for the blessing. True to my roots, my roots and culture. Oh Lord, let us stay far from the reach of the culture. Hey, true to my roots, my roots and culture. Oh Lord, let us stay far. Now the track from there goes like this. Your love's got a hold on me. Say your love's got a hold on me. Hold on. Your love's got a hold on me. Your love's got a hold on me. I don't mind when you say that you go away. Just don't wanna be lonely. Oh Lord, man, I don't care if we share all the moments and days. Just don't wanna be lonely. I'd rather be loved, needed, depending on to give what love I can give. When you're gone, when you're gone, just don't wanna be lonely. Oh Lord, I don't mind when the time sets the sun to the moon. Just don't wanna be lonely. Let the stars find you there at the end of the moon. Just don't wanna be lonely. But I'd rather be loved, needed, burning on to give what love I can give. When you're gone, when you're gone, just don't wanna be lonely. Come on, come on, da 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 da. Ooh, ooh, na na na. Just don't wanna be lonely. Da 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 da. Just don't wanna be lonely. I'd rather be loved, needed, depending on to give of love I can give. When you're gone, yeah. When you're gone, I just don't wanna be lonely. And I don't wanna be lonely. That girl, don't stop talking about that girl. Gonna make a mind if it takes all night. Get the big, get the big, get the big, get the big, get the big. That girl, oh my Lord, I'm gonna make a mind if it takes all night. Get the big, get the big, get the big, get the big. Oh well, ma'am, good evening, sweet darling. May I ask your name? You seem to be lonely. Oh, don't worry, I'm feeling the same. Oh, that girl y'all know. Oh, it's a groovy situation. Wanna spend in combination. That we should be on a night like this. Oh, it's a groovy situation. Wanna spend in combination. There's something that I can feel. That girl, don't stop talking about that girl. Gonna make her mind if it takes all night. Get the big, get the big, get the big, get the big, get the big. while his father's dying. Mommy got no money for buying food for surviving. Little babies crying. Somewhere there's someone who's lonely. Somewhere in the world profoundly. Sad to say it's not the one and only, for there are so many in a world of plenty. I've learned to love, I've learned to laugh, I've learned the truth within the past. Although my friends, I soon will end, there must be something to do for me. Somewhere there's a father teaching. Somewhere there's a youth man preaching, taking little ones to the old man's preaching. No more cheating, go forth and preaching. So many lives and so many tears, grief-stricken mamas and papas.
Yeah man, welcome. You're watching Come Chat With Me. And tonight we're coming in live from BB King's And I have the pleasure of standing next to Mr. Big Ship. Yeah, man. Frank, yeah, man. I come chat to the man. Hello, how you doing, sir?
We're good and I give thanks, man.
True, man. Nice. And I'm happy to be here tonight. What type of vibes tonight the people might expect tonight?
Nelson Mandela.
And Nelson Mandela vibes.
See there? Yeah, we'll come that way there. It's just a positive and a niceness.
Yeah.
Because, my music span everything from love to culture.
Yeah.
Just make everybody happy. And we're happy to be here tonight. It's been a while since we played BB Kings. And it's nice that we're here tonight with a full crew, Big Ship crew.
True.
So we get a chance to just work and do some songs that we probably haven't done in a while because we have the time tonight. It's not one of them shows that we have for really a run off a stage. So we'll be doing a wonderful set tonight. And we're looking forward to it. The band excited, everybody. We're nice.
Yeah, man, a real team. Because the last time I see you, it was in the Jerk Fest in Queens. And at the same exact thing, it's like, you have to run off on the stage, you know what I mean?
Yeah, but such is what it is. When we do shows like this, we like it because it's up close and personal. And they get a chance to relate to the people up close. So, but it's nice. Whether near or far, same vibe Freddie giving them, stay true to my roots and just do what I do best.
How the farmer go on and thing?
Yeah. Well, so I tell you something. I was in Florida until day before yesterday. So I went to Jamaica on the first flight yesterday morning. And as soon as I got home and left my suitcase at the door, headed straight to the farm.
To the street there.
Because so I plant 3,000 root of sorrel. And it's a beautiful feeling go back and so I tell you, the joy and happiness of I feel, and plant 3,500 roots of papaya.
Nice.
And those are coming nice. Those are about 3 feet right now. And we have a nice patch of Scotch bonnet pepper. We plant tomatoes. We have a whoop of melon, pumpkin, and cantaloupe. We have a whoop of pineapple we plant, and we have sugar cane, and the banana them are beer non-stop and planting. So the thing I got nice on the horses. Them I go and find too, because we breed horses, race them, sell them, we into that business as well.
Big things, man. Big things. So we have to tell all of the artists them out there, farming, make sure someone not leave out the thing too far.
Yeah, for farm, man. People like Richie Steven interested in Mota Baruka, the whole of the crew, because them people that come on my farm too, come get manure and come get food and stuff like that. Sister Marcia, just yesterday, come pick up some callaloo, pumpkin and some banana. So it's a real life thing, and I use this as an inspiration to the youth them too. For sure, you say, there are other things we can do, especially farming, because nothing nicer than feeding yourself and feeding the people. I'll give you an example. The first crop that we planted last year was callaloo and okra. And I was able to reap 24,000 pounds of callaloo, 32,000 pounds of okra, because the okra continue to bear over time. And we sold a lot of it, but we gave away a lot of it too. And it's a wonderful thing, we just keep planting. We have a whole of sweet potato right now, we have cassava. So we just utilize the earth because we have the land. We're farming on 20 acres, so that's a lot of land farm, and we have the horses on it too, and
Good stuff. Come chat with me.